Namaste everyone. Many of the students ask me how they can register with Yoga Alliance after completing their yoga teacher training course. So here in this video, I will take you to the process of registration with Yoga Alliance. But before that, you must need to have these documents with you. Scan copy of your YTTC certificate. Note that the school must have affiliated with the Yoga Alliance. From the school you have done the course. Your email ID, your mobile number, and that's it. Okay, so let's start. Step 1. Go to Google, type Yoga Alliance. Click on Yoga Alliance and the Yoga Alliance website will pop up. In order to open a new account, click on Join. Scroll down and you will see a small form to fill. It has basic information such as first name, your last name, contact number, email ID, and password to log in for this account. Once you complete the details, then click on Create Account box, and that's it. Your account is registered with Yoga Alliance. Step 2. Once you already set up your account with Yoga Alliance, now click on Login button and enter your login email and password. For YTTC certification, click on Teacher tab and then go to Dashboard. Scroll down, select the course you have completed. Now click on the training program. Select training like whatever training you have done, 200 hours, 300 hours or 500 hours. Select the date of starting and completing of the course. Now find the school from where you have done the course. You must need to make sure that from the school you have done the course is affiliated from Yoga Alliance. Otherwise, it's not gonna show on the search engine. Now, once you find the school, select, and the next step would be to upload the certificate. Make sure you already have a scanned copy of your certificate in your computer. Once the certificate is uploaded, click on the Send Request button. Now by click on this request, your request has been sent to the school from where you have done the course for verification. Your current status will be showing pending for now until your school is not verified and confirmed your request. Step 3. Okay, you will receive a notification email from the Yoga Alliance once you get verified from the school you have done the course. Now you will go back to the Yoga Alliance site, log in your email and password, and it will take you again to the teacher dashboard. And here you go. You will see now the eligible status under the course you have completed. It means now your certificate is officially verified with Yoga Alliance. As you can see, the other courses on the dashboard like RYT 500, etc. Well, the process is same. Once you've done the course, you do the same process, apply the course, send the certification, and your school will verified. Once you get the verified, you will get this small tag, eligible tag, under this designated course. Now regarding the ERYT, it is known as Experienced Registered Yoga Teacher. After a certain period and experience, I think after 2 years, the Yoga Alliance will automatically upgrade you for this course, like for this ERYT. Now as you scroll down, you will find the teaching hours tab. This one basically to keep your teaching record data. You just have to fill your teaching classes, like hours, the other basic details, class types, start date, end date, and that's it. You can do all together at one time, or you can either fill it like every week or like every month. It's totally up to you. Note that this is just for record and not for any verification or cross-checkings, anything. Okay, the registration process is done now. From here, I would also like to share one more important information with you all. You may have noticed the search option on Yoga Alliance site where you can find the teachers by name. In order to have your name on that list, you must need to pay some additional fees, which is USD 115 for first year, and I believe from second year it is a bit less, about USD 79. By paying this, your name will be added on their list and people can find your name through teachers search option. You will also receive, once you pay that fees, you will also receive a soft copy of registration card which will have your name, registration number, designated course, and etc. some other informations. FYI, this is not compulsory to do it at the beginning and can be done if you really feel required. I personally advise, if you already have a yoga center or a school or soon have planned to open, then only you do this process. So this is it. This is the basic information about the registration with Yoga Alliance. Feel free to ask if you have any questions in the comment section, and I will reply to you. All the very best and thank you.